Welcome, Hornets, and thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to be taking a look at how we approximate a second derivative given a chart. And in order to do this, we are going to be working with our average rate of change. So if I'm trying to find r double prime of t at t equals 2, I want to do a secant line between 3 and 1, the values on either side. Now, keep in mind that when I'm doing these, I want to go between so that the value I have is between them. Now, if that's the case, then my r double prime at 2 has to be equal to r prime of 3 minus r prime of 1. And according to the, divided by 3 minus 1. Now, according to this information, that means I'm using my r prime, and I will have r of 3 is 1, minus r prime of 1 is 8, divided by 3 minus 1. This gives me negative 7 over 2, and the units would be inches per second per second. And it's about to go off the screen, so I'm going to put it right down below. So we now have inches per second, which we can write as negative 7 halves inches per second squared. And this is an approximation. Now, it is entirely possible that I could use from 1 to 2, and I will have an over approximation. From 2 to 3, and I will have an under approximation. Okay? And if I have to find a value, let's say r double prime at 3, where my chart doesn't let me, mind that this is an approximation, all I can use is the closest information possible. Now, I prefer, when I'm doing it, to always use values on either side of the value I want. So if I'm trying to find 2, I want to use 1 and 3. If I were trying to find 3, ideally I would use 2 and 4. That would give me the best choice possible. But sometimes a chart like we have here does not give me the value of 4, which means that I have no choice but to use r prime of 3 minus r prime of 2 over 3 minus 2. And as a result, I'm now using my 1 minus 4, and I'm dividing by 3 minus 2. I end up getting negative 3 over 1, and this would be equal to negative 3 inches. Once again, this is per second squared. And that would be my approximation. Okay? It's not the best, but based upon the information I have, it's my best option that I can do. So once again, this is finding an approximation for a second derivative using a chart. I hope this has helped. Please be aware, if you like this video, please click like. If, however, you have complaints or issues, please remember to write them down in the comments section so that I can improve this video, and I will then again attempt to and do better. Thank you very much. Be safe, be kind to each other, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Please remember, it's easy to be mean to each other, so please try to be nice, work harder. Change starts from within. Bye, Hornets. Cheers.